Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And good morning, ma'am. Okay, first, let me introduce myself and my group. I'm Siti Mutmainah and the member of our group. There are Dinda Nuranisa, Reski Hidayat, and Rosa Anjani. Well, today in this opportunity, we will try to review one of the Disney film and the title is Mulan. Okay, I will start to reading the synopsis of Mulan film. Mulan synopsis. Mulan tells the story of a girl named Hua Mulan who is considered different from other girls because she is more interested in learning martial arts. One day, the kingdom needed one man from its family to go to war. Since the Hua family didn't have a son, Mulan secretly went to replace her father to fight with other royal troops. When the Emperor of China issued a decree that one man per family must serve in the Imperial Chinese Army to defend the country from Huns, Hua Mulan, the eldest daughter of an honored warrior, stepped in to take the place of her ailing father. She is spirited, determined, and quick on her feet, disguised as a man by the name of Hua Jun. She is at every step of the way and must harness her enormous strength and embrace her true potential.
Hello, I'm Rosa Anjani. I want to read out a movie review Mulan 2020. Okay, it's hard to remake something that's already good, and that's on Disney current agenda as it looks to want to remake all of its animated films into a live-action film, with Mulan being the last film and not likely the last to be remade. But Mulan's success, at least I can say it is more satisfying than some of Disney's let's remake films such as Dumbo and The Lion King, which both came out last year. With her beautiful visuals, hard-hitting action, and a story that still hits the mark even though it's not as strong as the animation, Mulan is successful. Those of you who have expectation will see film live-action Mulan, which is exactly the same as the animated film. Get ready to be disappointed. There are many things in the animated film that you won't find in the live-action film. You won't find any musical elements, no Mushu, and quite a few new characters that aren't in the animated film at all. It turns out that director Nicky Caro has his own reasons for eliminating musical and Mushu elements in his films. As it turned out, Caro want to make a film that tended to be realistic. That is why some some fantasy nuances in the animated film are finally made into something more realistic. For example, is Cricket. This film tells the story of a girl named Hua Mulan who is the son of a war soldier. Mulan has a power known as Qi. This strength is what makes him even more proficient in martial arts. Well, the presence of Qi actually seems to reduce a Mulan's badass. Obviously, this character became a soldier so easily and underwent his training because he had been blessed with Qi from the start. So good because of his Qi, there is a sense where the enemies call Mulan a witch. It seems that Mulan's effortless prowess in the animated film just disappears when the character is called a witch in her live-action film. This is also one of the points that makes Caro and Disney's efforts to make realistic live-action films feel even more bearish.
When the Chinese cadets were invited by the invaders of the northern region, its family was ordered to send one son to undergo training and participate in war. Mulan's father, Hua Zhu, is already old and just walking looks difficult. Although Mulan had always been advised to give family honor by getting married, this time she decided to go to war disguised as a man. Mulan's family could not reveal her identity because it would be disgraceful and even lifelong. Mulan also had a chance to look strange and lonely at the training venue, disguised as her Huajian. Since the beginning of his arrival, he had been seen with overly caution to his fellow soldier, Hong Wei. At the start of the training, Mulan, who is afraid that her identity will be exposed, doesn't take a shower and take on guard duty. Mulan's brave demeanor and stubborn determination made Hong Wei, even Commander Tung, pay attention to her. Wang Wei and Mulan, when practicing, were overawed and eager. Commander Tung Pei had asked to him not to hold back his energy. Wang Wei then asked Mulan to be friends while taking a bath. Mulan, who was embarrassed and afraid that her identity would be caught, turned away from Hong Wei. It made the man think that Mulan hated him. Wang Wei advised the two help each other because they are allies and are fighting to maintain stability. They were then sent to the battlefield because Borihan and his troops attacked over area of the kingdom. They were Mulan in a warfare and thus would recommend disclosing information, all the more so because Borihan allied which told her, Mulan will die if she kept walking. Moreover, there are three virtues that are embraced on the battlefield: loyal, brave, and true.
Mulan director Nicky Caro tries to stick to the heart of the story with its animated film version, but also wants to make Mulan something new. That's why eliminated the musical element in this film. No longer do we are the song I make a man of out of you while Mulan is practicing. No, Mulan is focusing more on a very victim action that I can say is quite exciting for a Disney film. In that, 3 is noble because this is a film event though this was a sphere jet, the chest or shoot the next. A very choreography and very clan of the sword moves so simply and well that that is makes every action of war in the film quite grumpy. The film is also quite a sight to behold, with its grand royal exterior decor and colorful village interior, and also with the clothes of each character, from the clothes of the soldier that look luxurious and also handsome, the clothes of the dark and intimidating Ronin warriors, to Mulan own simple but elegant clothes with dominant red. If this film are aimed at fasting on the eye can graphically say they did. But I felt an oddity in Mulan, and it was the comedy element that was really off. No longer does the film feel as colorful as its predecessor animation. The atmosphere of the war film feels really serious and dark, although there are a few times the character three through crack jokes that seem half-baked. And that is what is lacking from this live-action film, because if we remember Mulan animation, we know that the 1998 film managed to combine quite serious seriousness, such as the status of a moment who only at a small supporter, and comedy that makes the film feel like and fun now with this film. However, Mulan still managed to bring up a talk theme, touching on the topic that women can do what men can do, even better, and if this film were made with the aim of having a more serious tone than that did, we will no longer sing along with the character in it, but will be amazed to see every jump, every shot, and every run on the wall, which is certainly really fun.